Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create GitHub Wiki. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your web browser and head over to GitHub's official website at github.com. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your GitHub dashboard where all your repositories are listed. Now, select the repository where you want to create the wiki. Simply click on the repository's name from your list. Once inside the repository, look at the menu above the file list where you'll find a tab labeled Wiki. Go ahead and click on it. If the wiki hasn't been set up yet, you'll see a prompt to create the first page. Click the link and you'll be taken to the editor. This editor supports Markdown, which is a lightweight and straightforward way to format text, similar to basic HTML. You can use it to add headings, lists, links, images, and more, keeping your documentation structured and readable. Once you've drafted your content, it's time to save your work. Scroll down and locate the Save Page button at the bottom of the editor. Click it to publish your wiki page so it becomes visible to contributors and collaborators. Congratulations, you've successfully created your first GitHub Wiki page. And that's it. So that is how you can create GitHub Wiki. So that's all for this video. Thanks.